Welcome back and thanks for staying with Times Now, ladies and gentlemen. Jail Kannada actor Darshan is again in the eye of the storm, currently in jail over the allegation of kidnapping as well as murder of his fan Renuka-Swami. A viral picture has in fact sparked a row. In the image from a central jail in Bangalore, the actor in a grey t-shirt and a black trouser is seen holding a cup of coffee and a cigarette in another hand. Darshan can be seen sitting with three other rowdy cheaters inside the jail premises, sipping tea and laughing about something that you can see on your screen. Those are the pictures that have now gone viral. The Karnataka Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services has now ordered a probe in this case, and if this was not enough, another viral video has surfaced in which the murder accused actor is seen talking to his aide over a video call allegedly from the prison. Listen in. Well, this is as far as the video of, in fact, the picture of the Kannada actor Darshan is concerned. This, in fact, photo has gone viral on social media, and there's another video that you can see on your screen, wherein he can be, in fact, seen talking to his aide over a video call allegedly from the prison. So the image as well as this video call has now gone viral on social media. But what we're getting to know is that the Karnataka Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services has ordered a probe in this. My colleague Deepak joins us live on the broadcast. Deepak, these visuals of the actor Darshan has come to the fore and have gone viral on social media. But definitely what we're learning is that a probe has been ordered in this case. Give us more details.
Well, if this photograph, is true, then there's a lot of answering to do, especially from the Prisons Department and the, Home Ministry as well. At this point in time, we're expecting the Home Minister to make a detailed statement. But nonetheless, now one would hope that while you have a celebrity or a popular personality who's committed a crime and sent to jail, and we saw, of course, a lot of developments that took place while the arrest of Darshan happened, and more importantly the family, of course, seeking justice. And now to see a picture of him holding a cigarette, a cup of coffee, sitting along with a bunch of other people who are housed in the jail, and the picture seems like they're having a outing in a private space. So that has raised several questions about what's happening in the prison and whether VIP treatment is being meted out to the actor. The family has also expressed great disappointment. Right now, we've heard that an investigation has been ordered into this picture. There's also another video call that was made by another individual where the Darshan is also seen in that frame. So many questions being raised at this point in time. We'll get a detailed answer probably once the investigation is complete.
Well, even though the probe has been ordered in this case, it remains to be seen what the authorities have to say on this, because they have a lot to answer to. Deepak, stay on with us. Now, the father of Renuka-Swami says that based on the image and video from the prison that have come to the fore, it seems that Darshan is not behind the bars but in a guest house. Listen in.
ಜೈಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕವನ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಜೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೈದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕವೇನ. ಇದು ನನಗೂ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. 4 ಜನ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಗರೇಟು ಚಾ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗೃಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೈಲು ಅತಿಥಿ ಗೃಹ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜೈಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ವಿನಾ ಜೈಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಡಾಗ ಅವರು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Well, thanking Deepak for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Heading into a really short break right now. News and updates will follow. Thank you.